joining me today on Stacy's Country Cooking. Today I'm going to be fixing chicken breast in a skillet sauteed with onions and peppers and serve it with a side salad. You could also use it as fajitas or serve it with tortilla chips. I hope you like this. Thank you so much for watching today. Okay, first of all, I've got my skillet heating up on medium-high heat. And then I want to slice up my peppers and onions. I'm going to add some canola oil to my skillet. A couple tablespoons. And I've already got my chicken breast. I've already got it marinating in a little bit of canola oil, chili powder, paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. You hear that? Sizzling. That's what you want it to do. I'm just going to go ahead and dump it all in there. Move it around a little bit in the skillet. I want it to get a little brown. And it kind of coats the bottom of the pan. It gets like little brown bits on the bottom of the pan. I want to add a little bit more chili powder. Garlic powder, some salt, some pepper, when the chicken starts getting a little brown, I want to add the peppers. And you'll see the little brown bits on the bottom. You kind of just want to stir that around. That's where all the flavor is at. So now I'm going to add the peppers and onions right on top of it. Kind of level out the chicken. Put the peppers and onions right on top. It smells so good. So pretty, all the colors, the red and the orange peppers, it's so pretty. Okay, when it looks like the peppers and onions are caramelizing, and you see the brown bits on the bottom of your pan, you take a little water and put it in the bottom. That'll cause all that good brown bits to come up from the bottom of your pan and get into your chicken and your onions and peppers. Makes it so yummy. Now it's ready to plate up. I got my salad all ready. I just take some chicken and some peppers and put alongside of it. Here's my finished product. My sauteed chicken breast with peppers and onions, and then my side salad. I hope you all enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching.